Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Another Set of Eyes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today we're going to take a look at the mode function. And what mode does, if we just take a look at the description here, and we're not going to consider the multiple, but mode single returns the most frequent occurring or repetitive value in an array or range of data. Notice also there's just mode down here, but this function is available only with Excel 2007 and earlier. So mode single is what we're going to take a look at today. So I'm going to hit escape here, and I'm going to create just a block of random numbers, and keeping it simple so we can test it out easily. I'm going to create a range. I'm going to use ran between and just say give me numbers between 1 and 5. I'm going to hit Control Enter to fill the whole block. And then I'm going to grab the edge, right click, drag it over and back onto itself and say copy here as values only. So now I have this block of numbers between 1 and 5, and I want to see which is the most popular number within that range. So I'm just going to type here equal mode down to single tab, and what's my range? I'll go over to that cell, hit Shift Control right arrow, down arrow to create my range, close the parentheses, hit enter, and the number 3 is the most common in that range. How do we prove it? Well, why don't we just test it with a COUNTIF function. We know the numbers are 1 to 5, so I'm just going to hit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then next to each one I'm going to do equals COUNTIF, and it counts the numbers within that range. So what's my range? Again, I'm going to define the range here. Shift Control right arrow, down arrow. I'm going to hit F4 to lock that to make them absolute references. My comma, and then my criteria is just the cell in column N. Close my parentheses, hit enter. I have 44 number ones in there. If I copy it down, I see I have 42 number 2s, 51 number 3s, 38 number 4s, and 35 number 5s. So the most popular is number 3 with 51, which is what our mode.sngl function returned. So that's the mode function. It only works with values. It will not work with text to find, say, the most popular name or something like that in a range. But if you need to find values, which again, remember, values are also dates. So if you have a long list of dates and you want to find out which is the most popular or most frequent in that, you can use the mode.sngl function also. So there you have it, the mode function in Excel. Hope you liked it. Thanks for stopping by. And if you'd like to see more, please go to my website, excel-bytes.com, and feel free to subscribe. Happy excelling.